Are you curious to know what your home is worth in 2026? Well, don't rely on guesswork or any online estimates, because pricing your home right is the only way to success for a seller in this market. Let me show you how to get an accurate real-time picture of your home's true market value today. I recently worked with a homeowner and he was relying on his estimate. This homeowner was going to be left victim to what was valued as average. The estimate was off by over $60,000. It wasn't taking into account all of his upgrades, his upgraded kitchen and bathrooms, lot size, windows. It doesn't take that into account. But with a proper assessment and a true market value analysis that is correct, we were able to be successful. He received multiple offers after the first weekend. Having the proper market value report and the right value listed at the very beginning is imperative to success. Online estimates are simply the starting point for sellers. It's great that you want to research. You should. But tools like Zillow and Redfin are there for a very quick ballpark figure, just to get an idea. But they do not know if you've added anything new, upgrades, finishes, any of the things that a buyer may pay extra for or more. They don't equate that in. So don't rely on outdated sales data and miss huge local value drivers. Use them as a rough starting point, but don't make their pricing your pricing permanently. When you're pricing your property, you want to use a local comparative market analysis, also known as a CMA. A CMA is done by a local real estate agent. It includes real-time listings, recent sales, expired homes, and actual buyer trends in your neighborhood. Pricing can shift dramatically from one neighborhood to the other, so you need a hyper-local insight specialist. Plus, a good CMA considers what algorithms can't. Things like natural lighting, lot slope, garden space, and scenic views. Not all CMAs are created equal. The specialist you hire is imperative in this process. It's important to know what buyers are paying for right now in your area. See, what a buyer buys actually tells us what our homes are worth. So it's very important as a seller to set the right expectations. You want to research properties that have closed or pending, because listed properties are not true market values. They're simply properties hoping to get a specific price. A market absorption rate report helps you understand the buyer movement and how much your area has increased or decreased in value over 24 months. It's very important as a seller to look at the right data to find success. As a seller, you need to ask for a strategy, not just a price. An experienced agent would not just give you a price for your home, but strategize about it. And it's not just about the price. We gotta get the property ready. It's about price, product, and promotion. And this agent is going to work with your product, help you with maybe some light cleanup, light upgrades, what to keep and what to not keep. It's something that is going to get your home seen and highly desirable for buyers to pick your home over any other home on the market. So make sure you're coming in with full strategy and not just price. Here at Watters, we hope that these key points were helpful in selling your home in today's market. As we head into 2026, just keep in mind, you cannot trust automated value reports online, nor do you want to trust an inexperienced real estate agent. If you are wondering what your home is really worth, contact us today and we will give you a free comparative market analysis, market absorption rate report, and a seller net sheet. That way you know exactly where you're headed. We look forward in seeing you soon.